everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
What champions doing? We're gonna make winning plays every day. So let's see that about 4 miles tight up maneuver. So I got a little bit of time. So basically I wanted to go over how the infrastructure for crypto is being built off the internet, right? And that benefits you. But the infrastructure for the fiat currency, is that's being built, a whole nother way. So, you got to think about that kind of stuff, the infrastructure behind, what's going on. And if it's not going to benefit you, then, why are you worrying about it? You got to think about this kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got to get involved in these newer technologies and learn about them. So, the way I would do it is give yourself a small budget, maybe anywhere from $100 to $2,000, dollars, and invest in the education of this technology. I would say get it close as you can get to an expert. If you can't get close to an expert for whatever reason you can't, what you need to do is purchase and learn how to understand the market. Just purchase some. Do the research on the ones to purchase, that don't just go in there and just buy random stuff. And understand what's going on in the market and understand everything else. Make moves that way. We're in a very unique time in history where whole new strong asset classes come in with limitless potential. So you want to take advantage of those opportunities when things like that pop up and are out there in the wild. You have an opportunity to take advantage of these opportunities. So, just do your research, do your homework, and take advantage of these opportunities, right? They don't come around every day. So when you have an opportunity to take advantage of something like this, you make it happen. You take advantage, because there's a lot of restrictions built around the regular fiat currency system. If you wanted to go into a bank and pull out, let's say, you had a lot of, fiat currency, and then you want to go pull out $100,000, they're going to give you a hard time. But with cryptocurrency, you can move whatever amount you want to move at any given time. Very maneuverable. I want people to know that. I want people to know about the infrastructure and how it's built and what's going on. A lot of people don't know about the opportunity because they're so stuck on the old way. But there's a new way to do things, and I want everybody to know and take advantage of these new opportunities that are available, and they're just expanding. We're just scratching the surface on the opportunities and what's coming in the future and all these things. So, take advantage of these opportunities. They don't come around every day. So when they do, take advantage, lock in, accomplish something. It's big. I'm glad I'm able to reach my people and let them know about these opportunities, and hopefully they take advantage and make something happen out of them, and do something with their time, do something with their opportunities. It's all worth it at the end. So yes, understand the infrastructure, do your homework, do your research, pay for it. Trust me, it's worth it. It's worth learning what's going on. If you don't know, put some time into learning, right? So yeah, take that time to learn what's going on. Everybody stay focused, stay dedicated, be on the lookout for all the new stuff we got going. Champions Value Found content. That's a big one that I got. That's really growing a lot, because it's videos that I never put out for whatever reason. Maybe I had too much stuff going on or whatnot, but those videos have a lot of value in them. So be on the lookout for that, for sure. Be on the lookout. We're gonna expand on a lot of different videos that we got, a lot of different content, You know, we doing it big with the merch store. So, we just providing tremendous level of content for everybody. I want to tell everybody, appreciate you watching, checking out the content, and yeah, stay focused, stay dedicated. Check out all the links that we got going. If you feeling the content, make sure you tap the sub button so you can, get as much of this as you can get. Fill your head up with it, download all this knowledge, and we're just gonna continue to move forward. Stay focused, stay dedicated. Continue to make winning plays every day. Show life, make something out of it.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress, but finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing, the ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all